hand sanitizers could damage critical supporting cells in the brain. You might be surprised by the potential impact of hand sanitizers on our brain health. Let me tell you what the latest research has uncovered. Let's start with the study itself. Researchers from Case Western Reserve University in Ohio conducted experiments on human cell cultures in mice. They examined 1,823 compounds commonly found in our environment. Aaron Cohn, a molecular biologist, and colleagues identified two classes of chemicals that either killed or halted the maturation of cells under laboratory conditions. The culprits. Two classes of chemicals stood out: quaternary compounds and organophosphates. Quaternary compounds are present in disinfectant sprays, wipes, hand sanitizers, and even personal care products like toothpaste and mouthwash. Organophosphates often used as flame retardants in textiles, glues, and household items. Vulnerable brain cells. The study revealed that oligodendrocytes, a type of neurological support cell, are particularly vulnerable. These cells wrap around neurons, insulating them and ensuring smooth brain signals. Crossing the blood-brain barrier. In mice experiments, researchers found that quaternary compounds could cross the blood-brain barrier. This protective fortress usually prevents harmful substances from entering the brain. Real-world exposure. The study used higher concentrations than what humans typically encounter. So, should we be alarmed? Expert opinion. Environmental chemist Oliver Jones explains that toxicity depends on exposure conditions. We're unlikely to encounter such high doses in our daily lives. However, we know that some people, such as school and hospital cleaners, childcare providers, and people in correctional facilities, are more exposed to quaternary compounds than others because industrial-strength disinfectants are commonly used in these settings. Research into the toxicity of quaternary compounds came from animal and cell studies. But now studies are probing the health effects in humans and finding that people had double the levels of quaternary compounds in their blood during the pandemic than before, likely because of the widespread use of disinfectants. This has led some researchers to flag these chemicals as a class of emerging concern, noting the challenges of fully understanding the human health risks of these compounds due to their vast structural diversity. So, what should we do? While we don't need to panic, it's essential to use hand sanitizers and other products correctly. Follow guidelines, avoid excessive exposure, and prioritize your brain health. Wash your hands frequently with soap and water for at least 20 seconds. This remains the gold standard for hand hygiene. If soap and water aren't available, use an alcohol-based hand sanitizer with at least 60% alcohol concentration. Don't overuse hand sanitizer. Apply a dime-sized amount and rub your hands together until dry. Be mindful of other sources of quats and organophosphates. These can be found in household products like disinfectants and pesticides. If you found this information valuable, hit that like button and subscribe for more science-based content.